This guide will walk you through how to use the Save As function in Word and Excel. This function essentially makes a copy of a document straight from the desktop version of Office. This is useful to use if you need to make changes to the document but want to keep the original copy somewhere safe. You first need to locate the document you want to create a copy of in the web app. And next you'll need to open it on the desktop version of Word. Once the document is open, you'll have to go into File, and then Save a Copy. Next, you'll give your document a new name, and click Save. The document you are now seeing is the copied version of the original file. So you can begin editing this document, and your changes will be saved back to SweetFiles without affecting the original file. Once you're done editing the document, you can access the web app, go back to the original folder, and you will see the original document as well as the copy that we made, both in the same folder. To convert a document type, you will once again have to locate the file before opening it in the desktop version of Office. In this example, we have an Excel file that we want to change to a different document type. Now once the file is open, we go into File, and then Save As. You can then click here and choose the new file type from this list of choices. Next, you can give your document a new name and click Save. Now, if we go back into the SweetFiles web app and refresh the page, you can see both files here in the original folder. To learn more about how to use SweetFiles, please visit our Help Center at help.sweetfiles.com.